2007 Grapple truck with a DT466 and an Allison transmission. Motor sounds good. Body is straight. Appears to be complete. Front tires are good. Engine sounds good. Engine moist. You can see. We don't know why it's so moist, but it's moist. It must have some type of leak or something. Front tires are good. Motor sounds great. I'm going to rev it up so you can hear it. I'm going to close the hood now so you can see it. The front bumper has some damage. It's bent out of shape. The body looks really good. The paint is even shiny. The front grill's nice. Just the bumper. Now there is a problem with the shifter lever, the shift lever, Allison shift lever, which has a mode button in order to control the PTO. The shift lever is on the ground and disconnected. We were able to connect it in order to get the motor running. It goes in gear, but the mode switch that turns on the PTO is not functional. You see that mode button? It says use mode button on shift lever selector to activate the PTO. It is not activating the PTO. So that must be the problem it had, and they didn't bother fixing it. So we cannot turn on the Grapple. Okay? It's got 78,000 miles. The park light is on, and there's the word engine up top that's on. But the motor sounds really good. So that must be something minor, but the engine sounds good. Okay, this one has cruise control. All right, so let's get to the good part, the Grapple area. All the levers are there. All the hoses look good. There's no leaks. You see there? All the hoses look good. Okay, the clamp looks good. It's right over there. You can see it. Right there. All right, it's a Lightning loader by Peterson Industries. Model number is a TL3. Right over here. Some rust on the dump is minor. It's a 30-yarder, and it's a dump bed as well. So you landscaping guys know what this is. Also you dealers too. All right, the rear tires are no good. They're worn, uneven, worn. The box looks good. The bottom looks good. Alright, there she is. All the hoses look good. This vehicle seems to have been parked because of the issue with the transmission and the button, the mode button, not activating, because it seems to be complete. Alright, no smoke. Chassis. All right, so DT466. Good luck.